In today's competitive market, knowing where your marketing budget goes is essential. This dashboard breaks down marketing costs to reveal key insights for smarter decision-making. Starting with campaign tactics, it's clear that significant spending is directed toward events, TV, and social media. Understanding this helps businesses prioritize the most impactful channels. Looking at customer segments, Gen Z leads in marketing spend, followed by baby boomers and millennials. This segmentation ensures campaigns are tailored to resonate with different audiences effectively. On a global scale, the United States tops marketing investments, followed by Brazil and Mexico. These insights help businesses allocate resources strategically across regions to maximize returns. Finally, analyzing product categories, we see electronics, apparel, and team sports attract the highest spending. Identifying these areas allows companies to align budgets with high-demand products, ensuring better ROI. This dashboard is a powerful tool for businesses to optimize marketing costs and drive results. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.